We're here with Tom Bennett at ProSource of Raleigh, our newest account manager here. Hey, Tom, how you doing?
Pretty good. How you doing today?
Not too bad. New to ProSource or new to Raleigh? Tell us about yourself.
Well, neither really. I've been here since '98, and I've been a member of ProSource since about 2006.
2006. Do you have any industry experience?
I do. I bring about 20 years experience in both cabinetry and flooring.
Wow. Tell us about some of your stops in your 20 years.
Well, I was recruited to open up Empire Today Flooring in North Carolina, which is one of the largest retailers in the flooring industry. And then in 2006, I decided to open up my own business.
What kind of business was that?
It was a flooring installation business.
Oh, was that a challenging opportunity for you?
Yeah, you could say that to say the least. I mean, the day in, day out hustle, the sales, the installations, the headaches, the aggravation, everything in between.
Where'd you get your material?
I got my material, a lot of it from ProSource.
Oh, so you were a member here?
I was a member of ProSource. ProSource actually saved me both time and money.
Huh. What did you like best about it?
I could basically have my customers come over to ProSource and meet with the account manager, and he would handle my customers for me and sell the job for me at the price I wanted.
Well, that's great. So it saved you time and money.
Saved me both time and money, and it was a great relationship between the two of us.
Well, that's great. Well, we're so happy to have you on our team. It's nice that you used us as a customer, and now you're going to be an important part of our business here. Tom, thanks. We're looking forward to it, and good luck.
I appreciate that, and that's what it's all about. ProSource becoming an extension of your business and helping you save time and money and making your business more profitable. I hope you'll come over and see me and see what we have to offer and meet with me and discuss how we can make your business more profitable in the future.
That's
Thank you.
great. Thanks, Tom.